Welcome to a historic moment in Balinese aviation history. Today, we bring you the story of the first landing of the A380 jumbo jet in the breathtaking paradise of Bali, Indonesia. Join us as we witness. Our story begins at Ngurah Rai International Airport, where a buzz of excitement fills the air. A large crowd has gathered, eagerly awaiting the arrival of the mighty A380 on the island of the gods. Airport Official 1. This is a momentous occasion for Bali and Indonesia as a whole. The A380's landing here signifies our growing importance as a global aviation destination.